So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today with, of course, another headband wig. Today's headband wig is a human hair wig, and as y'all can see, it's this cute little short bob. And I received this headband wig from Beauty Forever, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig and anything else that I need to leave for you guys. I have worked with Beauty Forever in the past, so they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So if you are interested in hearing a little bit more details about this wig, then keep watching. As you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has a long one right here in the center front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. Of course it does have an adjustable strap, and it has a black strap on top where you can put a headband on top. You don't have to, but you can. Now they did send me 2 headbands. They sent me this yellow one, and they sent me a cute purple one that I found in the wig, so I really do appreciate that. They also sent me a wig cap as well. So again, this is from Beauty Forever. This is their short bob headband wig. Of course, as y'all can see, it is straight. It's about 10 inches. The density is 150%, and it's in its natural color, which is more than likely a 1B. Now the one that I have again is 10 inches, so it retails for about $53.37. Of course, on Amazon it has the 5% coupon that you can add to your order to save, you know, a little bit of coins. They do have a 1B/412 color bob, and a couple of other ones. Let's see what else. The cap size is average 22 to 22.5 inches. It's tangle free, of course, because for one reason it is short, so it didn't really tangle on me. I didn't notice any shedding or any of that. It's very quick and easy to put on. I mean, the most that you might have to do is bump it a little bit. I didn't put any heat to it, but as y'all can see, it's kind of starting to flip up in the back. But I'm not gonna mess with it because I'm not gonna have this wig on for long anyways. But it is super cute, as y'all can see. It goes right here. So a really cute length if you're not someone who likes really long hair. especially when it comes to a headband wig, this will definitely do for you. Again, it is 10 inches and it's really cute. So yeah, this one is definitely a little cutie pie. So this is how it looks in the front, side, back, other side. Now recently I reviewed another wig that had 2 Velcro things on this side, and I realized, as y'all saw in the clip, that's to fold this side so it can stay. So that's really cool. I didn't know that. So now I know, because now I have 2 wigs like that. In case anybody didn't know, now I am telling you. And of course I will put a clip to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But I want to thank Beauty Forever for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig. How do you feel about it? Would you rock this wig? All of that good stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.